Hello everyone, my name is Moran and welcome back to Tutorials Hub. Today's video is going to be about how you can develop your custom ChatGPT for your own affiliate marketing purposes. So let's dive into this video. For this specific tool, you're going to need the GPT Plus. So you're going to have to subscribe for $20 a month so you can develop your custom ChatGPT. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to click on Explore GPTs. Then we're going to click over to Create. And here you will see two panels. So left panel is for the configuration and the right panel is for the output. So here in the left panel, we would be actually configuring and reconfiguring the actual outputs that we're gonna get from GPT. So the first thing, we're gonna tell him who actually this AI is, and we're gonna name him. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna upload a photo. So I'm just gonna use some photos that I have on my desktop so we can differentiate it. I'm gonna use, for example, let's see, SaaS Expert, the logo I've created before. And the name is gonna be some name affiliate marketing AI support. That sounds good. So we have done the first initial step. Once we start giving the input over here, once we start telling GPT how to act, what you're gonna see, you will see that instructions over here will be adjusted. So the inputs you're gonna give, ChatGPT is going to pretty much shorten down and explain it to itself what itself is about. So let's start. We're gonna tell him, hey, I want you to write me a blog post for my affiliate marketing product. I am promoting, for example, we can say I'm promoting course, and here is the link to my course. I'm gonna take a course, for example, from one of my friends' courses. I'm just gonna navigate over just to find the link, and I'm gonna pretty much give the link to the affiliate support that we are just creating. So I'm gonna navigate over to one of my friends' school communities just to use his link. So I would have to probably find it. Let me just search for it. Community classes.